we are observing to give information to the public what is TB, how much of the world and India has been affected by the disease of tuberculosis, and what is the status of Manipur and what the government is doing to control this deadly disease. Professor Idungo, Madam Sunanda, as a subject expert, I'm saying I agree, so I don't have much to say. But in general, I like to put some numbers here. This year theme we have, yes, we can end TB, led by countries, powered by people. India ki theme led by Bharat, powered by Jan Bhagidari. So it's just a change of the sentence, but for the WHO, this is led by countries, powered by people. This particular message is of and a call for action. It emphasizes that while governments may lead with strong policies and resources, it is ultimately the participation of community, public, healthcare workers, individuals that will determine our success to eliminate TB. Just to mention, the world has a burden of about 10 million TB cases on approximate number. Out of 10 million, India contribute about 2.7 million. So there is close to one quarter to 30%. That's why India is the most important in terms of TB elimination from this world. And lots of people died, as number mentioned by Professor Igumo, that Manipur has a very high incidence of TB. So we have to be more cautious. And it's a big burden to the family, economically. Also, Dr. Igumo mentioned about the number, the billion of so-and-so, the effect on our economy. The government of India has undertaken several bold and comprehensive steps under National Tuberculosis Elimination Program that we are having. And our campus also have direct microscopy center as mentioned by our MS. And we have doctors from the state. We are running this center and we are trying to upgrade the facility here with addition of buildings and infrastructures. The key initiative includes early detection and diagnosis through widespread use of molecular diagnostic tools, free and competent treatment for all TB patients, including drug-resistant TB, Mixture Mitra that we will be doing after this event, which provide nutritional support to TB patients, active case finding campaign, house to house, and other role being played by the doctors of the state and our institute, and also digital tracking system has been started and actively engaging to control. Additionally, the government has emphasized patient-centric approach, recognizing that TB is not just a medical condition but also a social and economic issue. Efforts to reduce stigma, improve awareness, provide psychological support are critical components of our fight to end this particular disease. Here in the Northeast, including Manipur, geographical challenges, access issues and awareness gap make TB control even more demanding. Institutions like RIMS play a crucial role not only in providing quality care but also training, research and community outreach. Let me also mention that we have been doing lots of health camps, and I am very sure that our doctors do cover significant cases of this disease condition. On this important day, I would like to highlight three key priorities. Strengthening awareness. Communities must be informed that TB is curable and early treatment saves life. Fighting mari oiba koi prajana ngasi tin me am khangni gadasi TB habelaina si lain ba successfully tawbo ngamni aduga treatment si tawna ba direct government na पैसा लोन पुथोगा कोई सेंटर खुदी मुके अवेलेबल होय है पोस्ट सिमा याम मरु होय अदुगा ngana treatment tawingai apoi complication thok taba aduga yam thuna cure to bugi possibility du lei hai base koi ki praja mayam kangbiru then ensuring treatment adherence every patient must complete the full course of therapy to prevent drug resistance. Community participation ending TB requires involvement from every sector, be it healthcare providers, civil society and the public. Let's also acknowledge and appreciate the relentless efforts of our doctors, nurses, laboratory staffs, field workers and volunteers. Their dedication form the backbone of TB elimination from this big country. As we move forward, let us reaffirm our commitment to the vision of a TB-free India. The goal is ambitious, but it is achievable. With strong leadership, scientific innovation, and community participation, we can indeed end tuberculosis. In conclusion, let us embrace the spirit of this year's theme. Yes, we can end TB. Let this not be just a slogan, but shared mission that unites us all. With those words, I am very thankful to the Department of Respiratory Medicine, RIMS Imphal, led by Professor Sunanda for organizing this important event and for giving information to the public in advance. Thank you all. Jai Hind.